Hey, what's poppin' peeps? I'm Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet. For those of you who don't know, I speak about real issues in our society with a twist of comedy. Let's dive right in. This is E.D.S Everyday Situations, motivation with a twist of comedy. Damn! Is we losing an hour every day this month? I be tired as hell. I hate when people say, it's a quarter till. Man, what the fuck time is it? Damn! I had a question. Y'all ever be eating and get disgusted mid-chew? I be ready to throw up. Them munchies will have you eating a whole roll of Ritz crackers with no water. You know what I noticed? Sunny D tastes like somebody made a bet that they can make orange juice without oranges. I know I'm getting old, cause young people irritate the fuck out of me. My mama be commenting under everybody posts. Like, girl, we don't even like them. My daddy's side of the family need to have a get it off your chest day. Me and my sisters would get into it and won't even apologize. We just start back talking like ain't nothing happened. I don't know which one of my cousins this is for, but that relationship you build with the gas station clerk by your crib is important. I hate when I'm trying to spell a word and my phone can't neither. I wanted an Apple Watch so bad. I get one and it's been dead for months. I don't know which one of my fellas this is for, but half-naked pics don't mean she easy. Y'all post pictures of guns and still get beat up. I don't know which one of my fellas this is for, but the police is called 12 because 9 plus 1 plus 1 equals 11. Plus your snitch ass make it 12. I had a question. You ever found out you was getting cheated on and had to go to work? As soon as I put my work clothes on, my back started hurt. This is exactly why I don't like going to work, because it takes too long to get off. You know what I noticed? A lot of chicks don't want to work because they can't find nobody to watch their baby daddy. Something else I noticed. Jobs want to call you 6 months after you apply for the job, asking you, are you still interested in the job? It's too late now, ma'am. I'm selling drugs now. All this cocaine out here, and motherfuckers rather stick their nose in my business. Speaking of cocaine, the drug dealers from back in my days used to have money, cars, houses. These drug dealers nowadays barely even got the drugs sometimes. I don't know which one of my women's cousins this is for, but your taxes probably taking too long because all your kids got different last names. The IRS is confused. Something else I had noticed. Y'all be looking so unhappy in these relationships. Toxic is when you'll fight for a relationship that you don't even want. Ladies, always remember, for every nigga that won't, there's a nigga that will. Y'all be thinking these niggas out here in these streets, whole time he get a SSI check. Ladies, teach your son not to move into a woman's house. Have his own everything. I never forget the time I thought I lost my phone. Whole time this nigga walking around going through my shit with his phone case on it. On a more serious note, people would think they stunting on you. Whole time you not even watching. I'm just gonna leave y'all with this. Right now, your assignment is to water you. Alright, cuzzies, that was cool or whatever. Y'all know I love kicking it with y'all, but I gotta bounce. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you smash that like, share, and subscribe button before you bounce. I would love to have you as a sub. Until next time, it's your favorite cousin Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet, aka the Highway Honey. Namaste.